Alright, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be install what's called the imposter wheel skin for the Nissan Rogue. Imposter wheel skins, they are actually called skins black. So we're gonna unbox this and go and install them on the vehicle. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. First, I gotta take out the okay. Here's something to pry it out, and so it makes, you gotta take this out and then insert it in here because it's gonna imitate the wheel. Insert it in here, and then you're gonna line it up and then just attach it to the wheel. So just like that, you attach it to the wheel. So just line it up and attach it to the wheel. Yeah. So just line it up. So you're still gonna have your spaces for the lock tool, and then it looks like, but you can still see the silver around the edges and stuff like that. But it's better than an up cap because it's take the form of the wheel. Take the form of the wheel, so that's good. Okay, so it's gonna be the same thing. Just pry this out. Pry it out. Attach it to the center, and then you line it up, and then you just take it in place. And that's it. So I just finished this side, then I move on to the next side. So it's gonna be the same thing. Just pry this out. Pry it out. Grab the new one, insert this in there. You line it up with this thing. Line it up. And then just kick it in place. We're gonna do the same with the back one, and then that's it. So it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing. Pry this out. Put this in there. Put that there. And then you line up the stem, the tube, the valve. Put the valves here. Insert. And I just stick it on. And then that's it. So now all four is done. So this is how the skins are looking so far. It's actually looking nice. Yeah, it's close to factory as you can get because you could still see the logos and stuff like that. But for the outer part, it covers most of the silver. And then if you come this close, you can still see the silver up there. But if you're seeing that you're way too close, you're supposed to only see the black. Yeah, so this is how it's looking so far. It's pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. That's how it's looking so far. Yeah. Alright, so we made it to the end of our next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and then on to the next one. I highly recommend this.